Gyropalooza brick and mortar box. It's backwards, or I think it's backwards when you read it. No, it'll be fine. Anyways, gonna open it up. Might give some things away, but if it's cool, it probably won't. No, just kidding. One proto neutron balance, one total eclipse vanish, one eclipse parachute, two assorted R2 neutron discs, 5 lab second discs, one Eagle McMahon team series neutron thrill. So those are the things that are in here, but one of the things about this box is that you get the chance to win a golden ticket. So if I get a golden ticket, I get something cool. We'll see, but not getting my hopes up. I'm just stoked about the box because it's super fun. Like, this is the best part of the Christmas season, I think. Just more plastic. Anyways, let's go. All right. Oof. Oof, I love how full it is. Okay. Digital gyro, Simon line balance. This thing's pretty sick. It's really nice, and the stamp's red. It's cool. I like the color. You could literally probably play glow with this. Oh my gosh. I've seen this in another unboxing, but this one just looks so cool in person. Vanish. Look at this though. I won't throw this ever, but look at that stamp. It's crispy. Little pink sparkle. Maybe I'd throw it. I don't know. It's glow. It's super cool. Anyways, that's sick. Oh, I think this is the parachute. I'm stoked for this one. 157 grams. Streamlined parachute. Eugene A. Cernan, astronaut. Alright, what do we got next? Ooh, R2 Tempo with a little purple rim on it. That's pretty sick. Look at the swirls. It's nice. The black's pretty, oh, the black is like sparkle. Oh no, some of the stamp came off on the disc. Anyways, super cool stamp. I love the rainbow stamp. R2 signal. It's cool. Looks like a soccer referee jersey from when I was a kid. What's this? Lab second. Another vanish. If anyone likes vanishes, hit me up. It's a pretty cool color combo. It's got the sparkly rim. Thrill. This thing is so clean. Got some swirls in that rim. 170 grams. Ooh. Look at how the colors fade. I think this is a pixel. Yeah, Simon line pixel glow. I don't know. I've actually never used a pixel. That's just super clean though. Super cool. Blacked out glitch. Just completely blacked out glitch. Look at that. I'm sorry, you're not losing this disc. Even if it's red, this is not a losable red. It's so bright. Crave. 174. That's way better than the other craves I've ever had. Ooh, this thing's domed. Straight to the dome, bro. Time lapse. That's a sick color combo. Domey. Look at that. Anyways, that's it. No golden ticket, but we tried out here. You know. Probably gonna give some of these away though. That's for sure. All right, later.